welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to have our tips on how to apply properly our sheet mask onto our face. So before that, we are going to have our cleansing. So first, we have to cleanse our face before applying any face sheets that we want to use that can improve our complexion or anything to our face. So I have here the apple cider vinegar from Skin Genie. I find it very super effective to our skin or onto my skin. I'm very sorry. So and guys, so hindi pa ako nag-apply ng toner. So
Starting off, I'm using the Eskimol Malfortines for cleansing my face. I gently apply onto my face. Start off with my nose line or the forehead and going to the nose line and to my eyebrows. What I really love about this Eskimol Malfortines is it helps keeping you away from dirt or any excess oil that soap is not enough for you to clean your face. So we need to use this Eskimol Malfortines for our daily skincare routine. For the second step, I use this apple cider vinegar from Skin Genie. So just gonna spray for 3 times and just gonna dab into my forehead and onto my face. You know that apple cider vinegar toner with vodka and witch hazel is considered as a great secret for gorgeous skin because it contains minerals and potassium, which helps regenerate healthy tissue. It regulates the pH of the skin and removes dead cells and excess oil. Moreover, it has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It will promote clarity of complexion, diminish discoloration in age spots, and help to clear away pimples. So that is good reason to have an apple cider vinegar before you apply any face sheets onto your face. Before you apply the whole package onto your face, just test it to your jawline and wait for a few seconds. If nothing works, then you can now apply the whole package into your face. So this is very enjoying, like you can now taste it. I'm sorry if I hardly pat my face sheet. You can take a nap or just grab your snack with your favorite biscuit like Skyflex like I do. 15 to 20 seconds, it's finally done, so you can peel off your sheet mask and gently fold and use this as an excess to wipe off the neckline. And next is to massage the under eye or the cheeks and around your face. And also what you do to your face, you also do it to your neck. So gently massage your neck with the excess serum